All right, we're going to connect the top limit switch to our driver board. And you'll notice that we have a green pin, yellow pin, and a black pin. The yellow pin is going to go to A3, and the green pin goes to A2. So we'll plug that in just like so. The black wire will go over to the ground pin over here, and that's labeled as ground. Now it's important that you get this into the right pin connection. There should be an empty slot right here, then our black lead from our limit switch, and then the yellow goes into A3, the green goes into A2, and that makes the connection for the limit switches.